Vortalex. Check it out. This was a gift from Philly Fox. I'll put a link to his channel in the description. And, well, what you see is what you get. It's a GE Vortalex fan. It's the 12-inch. I'm still new to the Vortalex line, so I apologize if I make any grievous errors. But, yeah, it was a gift from Philly Fox for my birthday, and he brought it over to us. I took it apart, replaced the grease in the oscillator mechanism, oiled it really good. I cleaned the cage and the blades and the base, and then put a good coat of automotive wax on them. Vortalex the power cord, and this is the result. It is like new again. I hit the grill with some steel wool, got it shiny again. And without further ado, here's high. Low. Of course, on low, it's completely silent. But quite obviously creates a breeze. Let's go back to high. Has a little buzz. Contrary to what a lot of people think, though. There's a lot of more pieces of fuzz around. And shut it off. Could probably use good long run time, work in the oil and the new grease in the gearbox. But there you have it. GE Vortalex. Our very first, actually. And a birthday present from Philly Fox. Thank you very much to Philly Fox. And all you guys go subscribe to his page. He has some really good content. Speaking of which, if you're not subscribed to us, go ahead and do it now, please. Ring that bell to enable notifications. And if you'd like to support us on Patreon, a link has been provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you in the next video.